If you need to remove a device from your KuCoin account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Begin by visiting the KuCoin website or opening the mobile app. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security section, which is typically found in your account profile or settings menu. Step 3. Locate device management. In the security section, find the option for device management or authorized devices. This area will display all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Review the list of authorized devices. Identify the device you wish to remove and click on the corresponding option to manage or remove it. Step 5. Confirm removal. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any additional instructions, such as entering a verification code, to finalize the removal of the device. After completing these steps, the selected device will no longer have access to your KuCoin account. Regularly review your authorized devices to maintain your account's security.